Hi, this is Chandrima and welcome to this channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the subject and predicate in a sentence. So let's start. A sentence is divided into two parts, subject and predicate. Then, what is a subject? Subject is that part of the sentence which deals with the name of the person or thing spoken about. And what is a predicate? The part which tells something about the subject is called the predicate of the sentence. Let us look into the examples. In the first sentence, he is drinking milk. In this sentence, he is the subject and the rest of the part is drinking milk is predicate. In the second sentence, you wrote the letter. You is the subject and wrote the letter is the predicate. In the third sentence, the cat killed the bird. The cat is the subject and killed the bird is the predicate. In the last sentence, he ate an apple. He is the subject and ate an apple is the predicate. So that's all about the subject and predicate. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon